Hey everybody, and welcome to another All About RVs video. Today we're going to take a look at a brand new 2020 and a half Heartland Big Country 3560 SS fifth wheel. We're going to take a few minutes, walk you through the inside and the outside of this new RV. Alright guys, we're now up inside this new Big Country 3560 SS. As you've seen from the floor plan that was up on the screen just a second ago, this is a rear living room, triple slide out model, and it's got a unique slide out in the bedroom area that I'll show you when we get there. But again, mid-year model change, so you're seeing some new features as far as look and stuff. So it's got new wallboard, new wood, so they've gone with kind of a lighter grayish tone wood. It's got a little bit of two-tone on parts of it. This particular unit was ordered with the large residential refrigerator. So it does have the inverter built in so that it works off battery power when traveling. Convection microwave up there. The new Furrion larger oven and 3-burner stove top there. Like this oven, it is bigger than a lot of ovens in RVs, but it also has a light built in, a glass door front, and a little digital control on it. Good size island kitchen. You have 3 drawers over there, plus some storage space underneath of there. Double sink, matching sink covers for the solid surface sink, and a pull-out sprayer faucet. Freestanding dinette with 4 chairs. There's 2 traditional chairs that you see there, and then 2 folding chairs that are in the closet. There's a leaf in there as well, so you can open up the table for a little more room. Deep tent safety glass windows. It's got the MCD pull-down roller shades. Thomas Payne furniture has the little storage area and the cup holders in the middle, along with cup holders on each end, which do have the heat and massage and light up feature also. So there's a little light there. Lights up your cup holder and turns on a little blue light underneath. As you can see on the flooring that we're looking at here, this is a new floor for mid-year model change as well. Large sofa in the back does open up into a big bed, so you could sleep a couple extra adults back here. Electric outlet and USB chargers on both sides of that sofa. Big window across the back that does open up. Electric fireplace down here, which is basically a fancy space heater, but it does put out about 5,000 BTUs of heat. Jensen DVD stereo system, large flat screen TV that you see there. Little overhead cabinet area. And you have a large pantry area here, along with a few more big drawers down below. Don't forget, guys, to like, share, and subscribe if you are interested in keeping up with more of my videos on these new RVs and their mid-year model changes. The unit has dual whisper quiet ACs. These are really nice air conditioners. They're 15,000 BTUs a piece, but you don't see the big square that makes all the loud noise in the roof like you see on a lot of brands. This is a much quieter system. So when you're in here trying to talk to each other and watch TV, things like that, it's not got that big loud roar above your head. That is a huge improvement for RV air conditioning systems. Be sure to check out couchesrvnation.com, one of the largest internet wholesale dealers in the country. A couple electric outlets and propane leak detector stuff there. Big staircase on this model going up the steps. Got a closet here, which is part of the bedroom slide out actually. This customer chose to do the washer dryer in here. Let me open this up so you can see what this looks like. But when you do the washer dryer, it is a side-by-side setup, front loading, And you have some shelving. There's actually some lights in there as well. Otherwise, it's just a closet. Now this section of the closet does go in and out with the bedroom as well. So spinning around here, we're going to open up the bedroom door. This bedroom door does have to be open when you go to slide things in, as that is all part of this one big slide out. Into the bedroom area here, nice vinyl floor across this area here. Another electric fireplace, big flat screen TV, lots of drawer space and storage space in here. You have the traditional large closet across the front section up here. So this is a great unit for full-time RVing. Little portable Dyson vacuum there. Back to the full-time RVing thing. This is actually warranted for full-time RVing. There's a lot of brands out there that are called extended stay, trying to pretend like they're the full-time rated RV. If you actually read their warranty, if you full-time in it, it's void. That's why they use the word extended stay in their warranty instead of full-time warranty. So they're trying to do a play on words and throw you off a little bit. Windows on both sides of the bed do open. You have USB charger ports on both sides of the bed. Lots of room up here. Huge room. This is great for the couple that has a dog or a pet or something. They have plenty of room. I know my dog personally likes to come up and sleep in my bedroom area with us at night sometimes. And, you know, this is plenty of room around here for a dog to do that. We've got a good-sized bathroom. You can enter from the bedroom or from the hallway, either one. But porcelain foot flush toilet. You have a one-piece fiberglass shower with a seat in there. The large fan also in the ceiling up here. Exhaust out all your moisture from a nice hot shower. It's got a skylight over there as well. And you have a good amount of storage space in the bathroom too. You have 3 drawers plus some space underneath, your medicine cabinet area, and another little cabinet beside there. Another thing I really like is they did a matching solid surface countertop. A lot of brands go cheap up here in the bedroom area or bathroom area and go back to a laminate. But even up in this bedroom area, still a solid surface countertop, and even down below where they kind of separate things. Full extending ball bearing drawer guides. But beautiful coach. Love the new look. They really brightened it up in here compared to last year's model. So I definitely like the look here. They have a couple different furniture colors you can choose from, but this is the lightest and brightest of the bunch. We're going to take a few minutes and take you through the outside of the coach and show you all the new changes and cool features outside. All right, guys, we are now back on the outside of this new Big Country 3560 SS. And as you can see here on the outside, you can see the big, large slide out that was in the bedroom / hallway area, along with the living room slide. So you have 2 slides on this side. But part of what gave the unit a unique feature of so much floor space on the inside is the slide out in a slide out. So they have a telescoping slide system on this thing. It's used the Schwintek slippered slide system on there. And this particular unit was ordered with the optional slide out awning covers, which covers the tops of the rooms from leaves, twigs, debris, also helps shed away water and things along those lines. But that is a pretty cool feature, kind of unique. Not a lot of brands do this, and it gives you a lot of extra room on the inside of the coach. Now the unit is a high gloss gel coat fiberglass exterior. It's kind of an off-white color with vinyl decals and some automotive paint on the front cap. They have a drop Z frame, which gives it a lot taller storage on the outside compartment here. Now your docking station and stuff is here, so it's not quite as wide on this side. You'll see a bigger side on the other side when we get there. But here on the docking station, you have your cables, satellite hookups, water purifier systems, Black tank flush, gray galley, and black handles. Some instruction stuff down here to kind of tell you how to operate some things. Your inlets and stuff here, outside utility shower, light, electric outlet, that type of stuff, all located right there. You feed it right up through the bottom of the floor there, close the door, lock it, nobody can really mess with your stuff. There's a dump hose holder located down there below the frame section. The unit is 6-point auto hydraulic leveling system. The hydraulic is much stronger and faster than the electric system that some brands do use, and it's pretty nice. I've actually picked an entire coach up off the ground like this using that. Change a tire, that type of stuff. You're not really supposed to do that, they tell you, but I've done it personally. You know, no issue for me, but you do got to be careful if you do something like that. Dual axle system does have the MoreRide 3000 suspension system in the middle. Frameless window on the side there that you can see, and you'll see as we go around to the back. They use a deep tint safety glass window with a little frameless look to it. And there's a little storage area back here also. This is basically behind the fireplace area of the inside entertainment system. Thicker baggage doors have the slam lock system on them as well. Powered power cord reel on the corner back here so you can roll in and out your cord. 2-inch receiver on the back, and this is basically just for bikes. It's not designed to tow a boat or anything like that, but you can haul bicycles on the back of it. Customer also did the backup camera / observation camera so he could see when he was driving down the road with it. Ladder on the back. LED tail lights and running lights, which is becoming pretty much common in a fifth wheel at this price point. Don't forget again, guys, to like, share, and subscribe if you're interested in keeping up with more of our videos. The upgraded MoreRide step system. I call this an upgrade. Some people may not like it, but I really love it. It has the ability to come down, touch the ground. It adds the capability of holding more weight going in and out of the coach. So it is a stronger step. It doesn't shake the camper as bad when you're running in and out of it. Yeah, but it does kind of limit you a little bit. You've got to have a good amount of room to put that step out. So in a storage area purpose, that's where some people get a little touchy on it. You got to have enough room to open that up and get in and out of your coach. But for the most part, when you're out camping, truly using your coach, it is a great feature to have. Long power awning, LED lights on the side here. You can see a security light here, another one above the entry door over there. Outdoor speakers on this side. Water heaters also located on this side. Gas electric water heater. Has a large folding entry handle. You do have a window in your entry door. A lot of cool features. All aluminum frame, roof, floor, walls. Exterior walls, I should say. Interior walls are still wood. Outdoor TV hookups there. Now this customer also did the optional generator prep. He didn't do a generator, but he did do the generator prep, so it is boxed out right here for a generator area. And there's batteries over here, your hydraulic system over here, the inverters also here. There's hydraulic selector valves right there, and that is to allow you to shut off the downstairs rooms if you want to, or just do one at a time kind of thing. So it's all set up pretty decently. And they also ordered it with the MoreRide pen box upgrade. This helps with a lot of the chucking when you're first starting and stopping, taking off kind of thing. So that is a nice thing to improve your ride capability. And another thing that they also do that some brands don't is the, call it tight turn technology, which is basically a notching out and rounding out of the frame system on the corners to give the vehicle a better turning radius for short bed trucks. So that's just a quick review, kind of getting you an idea what the unit is actually like. Again, full-time rated RV. It has a 3-year structural warranty, which is pretty much standard on all the Heartland products. So definitely check that information out too. CouchesRVNation.com, largest internet wholesale dealer in the country. Give them a call, 888-417-8299.